Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. People, today we're going to be talking about the police officer that lost his life by an animal that ran out the bush on him. He was riding a motorbike. And his co-worker have few words to say. So we're going to check the video out, and after that I'm going to give my take on it, okay?
Who went in the road?
It bust up, you know?
Something on the ground.
The only thing me can say is my condolence to the family, you see me, and also, you don't know, it's a man that lose him life same way, you see me, and him is a human being, you see me, I say. So, all I can say is, everybody need to take them time and ride, you see me, I say, because when you ride a bike, you know, slower you go, more control you have over this bike, you know, you get me, I say. So, I will take in what the police officer have to say about him friend.
Brother and sister that no fight over no land, and them look foolishness and vanity, because in the day they can't bring none of them things they would hesitate. So my virgin the dog cow come out in the road, man I ride, and him flick off on him bike and dead. You see me, police. Me a police, so yo, when time I see an ex-police get hurt and them thing, brother, me I go feel it because in the day, all the way I want, we might go on away one time we are life and one another, but I can tell you this, it's the end of the day we are one. So you not even know, I feel away, brother, because my phone last Friday night, I get back my phone, I get back the chip yesterday, I get back the phone, I get back the chip. You see me, as I get back the chip, brother, one girl that link me and say, yo, I know the police, so they tell me, I say, which police, what you talk about? So just send me the video, and I see the man, I'm shocked, I saw him on my eye. You see me pull over upon the road because I told me they come to Westmoreland. And not even he make me come because I say, yo, I forward because good wife, if I get a chance to go at town, I not forward back in my place, so I forward. Yo, people life really short, and sometimes you can't take to live good on the brother, on the sister, on the mother, on the baby father, whatever. You do the right thing because you don't take nothing out of it, you don't take $1 out of it. You say, yo, sorry, and you see me, right now my man up, if I say, if I hurt anybody and them way, then I'm going to pray, my brother. I can tell them to my face, yo, I'm sorry, I never look no bad blood. You see me? At the end of the day, yo, life short, you know, man. Life really short, people. You see it? When they sold out at the event, August the 12th, half of you run about until you reach it, so when you get escort, go over. You see me? Yeah, man. VIP style, and come enjoy yourself. You see me? And full joy the event, and know, sir, they say the people. Feel away, my bridging. The man, you just born what they are to, you know? Man, you just born what they are. And the man never get to see me with grow. You see me? And I tell you, say, yo, we have to live good as police too, because at the end of the day, you don't know when something can happen to you. Swear to God. When you hear the man that just be a tears come on me, I tell you, I can't even know people. We feel away. They said, and this are going, well, they don't question God, because at the end of the day, you can't even question God. You have to just know, say, yo, God knows what's best, man. See it, and just pray for blood coverage over on the life, on the kids them. Pray for God cover on going out and coming in. Don't be too big or too busy. If you whisper a prayer to God and ask him for coverage. No.
So people, there you have it. Out of him own mouth. You see me? You can tell him hurt, you know. Him emotionally breaking for him friend. You see me? I say, and my condolence to the family, same way. And to all my viewers and my subscribers, please like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you feel like, and you don't know. God bless everyone and respect to everyone for watching my channel. And I appreciate everyone who subscribed to my channel. I'm out.